Watching paint dry. Thank you, Westmoreland Museum of American Art, for asking me to be part of your virtual presentations. My name is Robert Bowden. I live in the Point Breeze neighborhood in the East End section of Pittsburgh. I am and have been a full-time professional artist since graduating from Carnegie Institute of Technology in 1954, which is now Carnegie Mellon University. My career has been both as a graphic designer and as a fine artist. So why would I choose a title that suggests absolute boredom? Watching paint dry? To an artist, or at least to me, timing is important in creating a painting, whether it's oil or watercolor or acrylic. Let's look at a couple of examples. First, my watercolor of the Metropolitan Museum of Art, a plein air painting in Manhattan. I set up my easel on a warm afternoon on the lower end of the museum, far enough off Fifth Avenue and sidewalk traffic to be able to see my subject from an interesting position and not be interrupted by passers-by. First, I made a basic drawing. Then I proceeded to paint in my usual process, layering washes, adding some more precise drawing, working towards a more substantial sense of the architecture, and including the human traffic. After about 2.5 hours, the painting was complete. Now, my second example is an oil painting of a still life setup. These 8 bottles on a mirror has taken about 20 hours, and it's still not finished. I will continue to refine the surface of the rectangular glass area, and after some drying time, I will define a lot of the edges of the bottles. I have made a number of tries at painting the mirror and the neutral surrounding areas. The bottles were painted first on the white canvas background. Then I painted the mirror black. Then I painted the surround light gray, and so forth. Several different changes. So finally, getting back to my title, Watching Paint Dry in the Watercolor, timing is everything in the layering of color with water as the medium. How wet or how dry the underlying surface is, and how to take advantage of it one learns only through experience. In the oil painting process, one is usually able to paint over a section or detail or wipe out something that's not as it should be. And one can work very slowly, taking as much time as needed to watch the paint dry enough in order to finish the painting. Okay, we all have to bide our time and outweigh the virus. If you have ever considered painting, taking it up, please give it a try. At present, timing is everything, as we have a lot of it to find a use for. Thank you again, Westmoreland. Hope we can meet again soon.